Networking. What do I say? Very, very important. Do you know, when you're networking, you have to be able to tell people why you're in that business of networking. And what you want to say is, make sure that you mention my name. Now, I'm not suggesting that every time you talk, you say, hey, Donna Messer said. But what I want you to do is establish your credibility and the credibility of the people that you know. So when I say, what do I say, I want you to introduce yourself. Remember the smile. Don't forget to smile. Remember the handshake. That's important. And then I want you to be able to say, I am here because I have a product or service that I think will build a better business relationship between us, or I know someone that might benefit from knowing you. So it's important that you think about what you say. You're saying something that the other person needs to hear. Networking is not going out selling your product or service. It's selling you. It's building your own credibility. It's making sure that everyone understands that it's you that's important, not the product, not the service, you. Because when people start to realize that you are a dependable, reliable, personable individual, then it doesn't matter what the product is. They're going to call you for that connection. What do you say? Hi, my name is Donna Messer. How can I help you? What is it that you need? Who do I know that will help you to get to know what you need to know? It's very, very important that you realize that what you say is what people remember.